let's go ahead and take a look at problem number 19 now, which is about rolling dice. So Michelangelo rolls 3 standard 6-sided dice. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers rolled on any 2 of the dice is exactly 3? Now, for 2 standard 6-sided dice, to get a sum of 3, right, the only way to do it is a 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 1. But either way, we need 1, 1, and 1, 2. So the probability that we're looking for is actually the probability that out of the 3 dice, the numbers rolled include at least 1, 1, and 1, 2. So we need to subtract out, right, from the whole probability of 1. We need to subtract out the probability that we don't roll any 1s or 2s, right? So the probability that we don't roll any 1s is going to be 5/6, because that's the probability that we don't roll a 1 on any 1 die, right, cubed. So that's the way, because we have to not roll a 1 on all 3 of them. And the probability that we don't roll a 2 on any of the 3 dice is going to be 5/6 cubed as well, because it's going to be not a 2 on each of them. However, this double counts the cases in which we have no 1s and no 2s, because I've now added them in twice. So we need to subtract out those possibilities so we don't double count them. We don't overcount them. And since there are 6 outcomes on a standard 6-sided dice, 4 of them are not a 1 or a 2. That means we have to subtract 4/6 from this to give us our overall probability that we don't roll at least a 1. We don't roll a 1 and a 2 in our 3 dice. And this comes out to 186 over 216. So this is the probability that it does not work, right? We have either not rolled a 1 or not rolled a 2, right? Or not rolled a 1 and a 2. So that means that the probability that we actually want, which is the probability that we have rolled at least a 1 and a 2, is 1 minus 186 over 216, which is 30 over 216, and that simplifies to 5 over 36, and that is our answer.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.